Hello, I'm Tennessee Steve, and my outhouse has been flooded for 5 days. I called that darn plumber 5 days ago, and he didn't show up. Now it's time to hunt me a plumber. Here, plumber boy.
Yahoo! Hi. Sorry to tell you this, but your princess is in another castle. Oh, mamma mia! What the?
Mario! You need to fix my toilet!
Oh God! Mamma mia! Mamma mia! Mamma mia!
My toilet won't unclog without you. Come back, Mario. Mario, I got a toilet for you. You know I'm a hunter, right?
Mamma mia!
Get back here, Mario! Mario, I got a mushroom. I got a star. Hey there, Mario, my buddy, my pal.
Mamma mia!
Don't run. You're gonna fix my plumbing, and you're gonna do it right.
What? Mamma mia!
Let's go. You're gonna get in there, you gotta fix it right, Mario.
But I don't have a plunger!
You got gloves on, use your hands.
Mamma mia!